Good morning, children. Today's date is 8th October 2020 and today's day is Thursday. In our numeracy class, today we are going to learn forward counting and backward counting from a given number. Okay, so by now all of you know to count forward from 0 to 10 and also to count backward from number 10 to 0 confidently. Yes? So let us first revise forward counting and backward counting, and then we will also do forward and backward counting from a given number, from any given number, from 0 to 10. Okay, so first let us begin by revising forward counting from 0 to 10. So this is forward counting. You see the arrow? It is pointing in this direction. So in forward, you move ahead. You keep on moving ahead. Okay? So we start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this was forward counting from numbers 0 to 10. Now let us do backward counting. Now do you see the arrow? Where is it pointing? It is in this direction. So you have to go back. The numbers will move backwards from 10 to 0. So let us begin with 10. You see my arrow? I am pointing in this direction, backwards. Beginning with 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, so that was backward counting from numbers 10 to 0. Make it a little bit easier. Let us divide the numbers, okay? So we do forward counting first from numbers 0 to 5, and then we will do the remaining 6 to 10 a little later. Okay, so now let us do forward counting from numbers 0 to 5. Going forward, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so the last number that I said here was number 5. So now I have to move backwards from number 5. So now I am giving you the number 5 from where you have to move backwards. So we start with 5 now. 5, go back. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So children, now you can see that I have now my numbers begin with 2. Okay, so my starting number is 2. And now I have to move forward from number 2 and stop at 5. Okay, so keep moving. 2, what comes after 2? We move forward. After number 2 is 3, 4, 5. We stop at 5. And now I move from 5. And I have to stop at 2. Okay? So moving backwards from number 5. 5. The number before 5 is 4, 3, 2. And I stop. Yes, so we are moving forward and backward from a given number. So my given number here to move forward is from number 2. I have to move forward from number 2 and stop at 5. And then again I move backward from number 5 and stop at 2. Let us take one more example. So children, now what's the first number that you see over here? Is it number 1? No, the number that is given to me here first is number 6. And now I have to move forward from number 6. So the number given to me is 6 and I move forward from 6. So what is the number after 6? What's the next number after 6? 7, 8, 9, 10. And I stop at 10. Yes, that's the last number that is given to me here. And now I have to move backwards from the given number. So my given number here to move backwards is number 10. So can we move backwards? So we go to the number before 10. What's the number before 10? Behind 10 is number 9. Yes, so from 10, you go back 9, 8, 7, 6. Should I move more backward? No, I stop at 6. Yes, because that's the number I have to stop at. These are the numbers that I've given to me. I have to begin from 6 and stop at 10 when I'm moving forward. And I begin from number 10 and stop at 6 when I move backwards. Yes, so children, I want you to practice this at home. Practice forward counting and backward counting from any given number starting from 0 to 10. Yes, now that you can confidently count from 0 to 10, now I want you to practice forward counting and backward counting from any given number. Say I start from number 3 and I ask you to count forward. So what will be forward counting from 3? You have to move forward. Go ahead. So what's the next number after 3? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now remember, you started from number 3. Yes? And now you again count backwards from 10 and stop at 3. So you begin from 10, go back. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Stop at 3. So that is counting forward and backward from a given number. Okay, children, so I want you to do this with the help of some number cards. It will make it more clear to you, just like we did today. Happy learning, children.